Hello, everyone. The topic I will be speaking about is captive breeding and private ownership and why they are both important. This is a tough topic because there are strong opinions on both sides of the fence. There are organizations that are out there trying to actively halt private ownership, whether it be private zoos, private safaris, private preserves, or just exotics or wildlife as pets. Even though this is going on, there's a rise in private ownership. I personally believe that private ownership and captive breeding programs are important, but I do strongly believe that proper regulation needs to be involved for the welfare of the animals. Also, for the protection of private ownership. I strongly believe that captive breeding programs and private ownership are important. Without them, many species that are alive today could very well be extinct right now. There are key factors that can lead to a major decrease in wildlife population. One being ecosystem destruction, whether it be natural like wildfires or floods, or a human aspect like logging or deforestation for new communities. These play vital roles in destroying the ecosystems that many species need to survive. Another major factor is disease. Disease can vary from viruses to bacteria, whether it be a species' food source dying off or the species themselves. Another factor is overhunting or illegal poaching. This could drastically shrink a population of a species which may not be able to reproduce as fast as they are being killed off. We are seeing this in larger animals such as rhinos and elephants. Especially species that have a longer gestation. It is difficult for these types of species to reproduce fast enough to replenish their wild population as fast as they are being killed off. Captive breeding programs have been successful in many ways. We've seen this with the California condor, which was down to 35 individuals at one point, and is now reproducing in the wild. Again, after a capture and breed and release program. We're also seeing it with other species such as the golden lion tamarin and the Galapagos tortoise, where their populations have rebounded due to captive breeding programs. So with all that being said, I believe without captive breeding and private ownership, a lot of species will disappear. So I task you with doing some research on species that were saved due to captive breeding. And maybe looking into local initiatives of what you can do to help your local ecosystems. Thank you.